Guys, thought of creating a cinematic short film without ever touching a camera or spending hours editing? Imagine typing a simple description and watching a professional quality video appear before your eyes. That's exactly what our next tool makes possible. Welcome to ByteSpark, where we explore the latest AI tools, tech innovations, websites, and productivity hacks that make life easier. Today, we're diving into Flova, the world's first all-in-one AI video agent. Unlike other tools, this one doesn't just generate content. It completely transforms how you work. It guides you through a fully controllable workflow from story outlines to animations, music, and voiceovers. In this video, we'll put Flova to the test with a futuristic scene, and honestly, the results are incredible. First, we'll create a detailed static image using Seedance 2.5. What's really exciting is how it makes the entire process interactive. Its built-in AI assistant analyzes your prompts, suggests settings, and guides you step by step. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's jump right in. Folks, Flova is a revolutionary platform that lets you create professional videos with just a few clicks. If you've ever wanted to make a cinematic clip but didn't have any experience with editing or 3D animation, this tool does it all for you. It's the first all-in-one tool that brings together dozens of top AI models in one place. What's more, it gives you access to some of the most powerful content generation models, from creating images to full films, music, and even voiceovers. Guys, there are 4 main categories: images for creating photos, video for creating footage, music for background tracks, and narration for professional voiceovers. In the video section, you'll find top models like Seedance 2.5, Seedance 2.0. Each model has its own strengths, from generation speed to the quality of the final output. Let's put Seedance 2.0 to the test and create a video right now. The platform can turn our text prompt into a full cinematic clip. First, we describe exactly what we want to see. I'm providing a detailed prompt of a futuristic cafe in Tokyo at night. The cyberpunk atmosphere is ultra-realistic in 4K quality. Friends, it has a built-in AI assistant that helps optimize your request. It automatically reviews your prompt and suggests settings for your project. The assistant asks for 3 key details: the video duration, the aspect ratio, and the language. I answer these questions and send it off. The intelligence then analyzes my answers and sets up the project. It creates a full brief based on the description I provided, generates a storyboard, and even develops a ready-to-go visual generation path. That's exactly what I wanted to test: which model Flova AI would pick for us. As you can see, my friends, there is smooth camera movement, realistic rain animation, and dynamic reflections of neon lights on the wet streets. The final result looks very professional, guys. Flova is incredibly powerful. This storyboard also lets you build a multi-layered project instead of just a single short clip. Rather than limiting yourself to one quick shot, you can create a full story made up of several connected scenes. Our first cut shows the exterior of a cafe. This works as the opening scene. Next, we add a second one, the cafe interior, where the visitor comes in and gets their order.
Friends, to add a new segment, we can either create it manually in the storyboard or ask the AI assistant to help plan it. Let's do that. The AI immediately picks up on the idea and starts working on it. And just like that, it generates character for us and a young professional wearing textile clothing. Now we tell it to proceed and animate the static image for the interior cafe shot. Once the music is generated, we compile both shots into a single timeline. It starts rendering. And now let's take a look at the result, which is impressive. We can use Reply to tweak anything we don't like. We can regenerate the prompt or edit it. Then we can choose more like this, and the AI will prioritize your preferences. We can also download the animation or give it a dislike if something isn't right. It's a really flexible system. Plus, we can go back, start a new project branch, and continue working with our chat. There, we can do this anytime. For example, to create multiple visuals from the same rendering. Let's respond. Now the assistant suggests adding the final touch, an ambient soundscape to match our cyberpunk atmosphere. I ask it to create the audio, and we wait for the result. And there it is. The tool automatically created a custom audio track for our video, which we can listen to. Once all the elements are generated, Flova puts together the final version. This stage is called Assemble. The platform blends all effects into one clean file. When the status updates to timeline is ready, it means we can jump into manual editing. The AI assistant also notifies us that the clip is fully assembled and ready for export. Let's take a look at what we are about to export. And just check out this result. Now let's explore the export options. We can save the project as a video, a PR file, or export everything at once. For now, I'll download the MP4. Alright folks, let's wrap this up. Today we saw how Flova can turn a simple idea into a complete cinematic project, from images and animations to music and final editing, all in one workflow. So guys, if you want to try Flova AI yourself, you can check it out using the link in my description. Make sure you use my link to access Flova AI. That's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to ByteSpark, and I'll see you in the next one.